Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jyoti and I create video on makeup, skincare, lifestyle and a lot more. If you're interested, then please do subscribe to my channel and also tap the notification bell to get all the latest updates. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you few maxi dress which I recently purchased from Myntra, and I really love wearing flowy kind of dress which is really kind of maxi dress. It's really comfortable to wear, and I really wear mostly in while I go for any brunch and party and all. And also maxi dress is really comfortable for casual wear as well. So if you like wearing maxi dress, then keep on watching this video till the end. All these dresses are really pretty and also really comfortable, and these are reasonable in prices, so you can check this out. So first one we have is this purple solid maxi dress. This is purple in color. It's really good. The color is really bright and elegant. I really love how this looks. So it has ruffles kind of thing here, so it's not at all tight. It's a loose and breathable hands here, and down at this bottom you have this kind of where you get pleated skirt. So this is kind of pleated material, so this is what it looks from up close. So it's not at all transparent. You have lining inside the skirt. You have this kind of lining, so it's not see-through. It's really good. So this is what it looks. The maxi dress is really comfortable. This is the U-neck. I really love wearing U-neck dresses, and all in all I really love this maxi dress. It has pleated skirt with this ruffles, so this dress is really comfortable to wear, and I really like wearing this for brunch and all, so you can try this out. And this costed me around 2200 rupees, so I think it's worth the price because it's looking really bright and beautiful. So you can try this out from Myntra. I'll give the link in the description box. And then the next maxi dress we have is this, and this is what it looks. It has like a broad neck with an elastic shoulder over here. And coming to the hands, it has like a transparent hands. It's like semi-sheer transparent hands. So this is what it looks. It's black, jet black. So right in the waist you have this elastic over here, so that it gives a proper shape on your body. So inside this material you have lining, but it's just till here, as you can see. So yeah, it's like a lining inside this maxi dress till here, and from here it's like an off sheer, so it's a choice, but then it looks really comfortable to wear, and I really love how this looks. And this costed me around 1200 rupees, and it's from the brand Sassafras, but then originally it's priced for rupees 2300, but I think for 1200 it's worth the price. I really love after wearing how that looks, so you can try this out. And then next one we have is from the brand Indus, and this is what it looks. I have been wanting to get this dress from a long time, and then I recently purchased this and really love how this looks. So it has like front embroidery on this particular maxi dress, and it has like this flared fish kind of hands over here. And this is what it looks. This is basically silk blended material, so I really love it. Just give proper shine. So this is really a good maxi dress, and this is what it looks. This is not at all transparent. It has like a lining inside this maxi dress, so it has this particular lining inside this maxi dress, so it's not at all transparent. So yeah, and this costed me around 1240, and I think for this brand 1240 is nothing. It's just a affordable rate for this. So I really love Indus brand. I want to like try more of Indus brand, so yeah. And then the next one we have is this, which I'm wearing right now, and again it's from the brand Rare. I really love how this looks. It's like a v-neck. I'm not into v-neck dress, but I really love how this look. Also, it's really comfortable to wear, and you have like this flared kind of hands. So this maxi is like same print all over, so I really love how it looks. So I basically get something which is comfortable to wear, and also it looks trendy when you wear. It's really inexpensive and it just costed me around 900 rupees. I think it's worth the price for this dress. So if you don't really like any of the dress, then you can return and exchange, but then I really love all these dresses, so there is no need to return at all. So I'm really into maxi dress these days, so you can try out few maxi dress from me. Last one we have is this dress from the brand Athena. I really love how this dress looks, and it's in the size L. So as you can see, it has like a round neck with this puffy sleeves, and right here you have this elastic to give that some elegant look. So I really love this polka dots all over the maxi dress, and right here you have like elastic waist to give that proper shape. And also it's really good to for a chubby girls. It's not that you're gonna look more chubby, but I think it's really good. Even I am chubby and I think this looks so good on me. It's such a pretty color. So this is what it looks from down. It just have like all over polka dots, and yeah, so I really love this puff sleeve. So this costed me around 1874 for this particular dress. I really like this dress, and originally this priced for 2500, but then I received for 1300. So I think it's really the best dress. So you can try this out from Myntra. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and I hope you all love this maxi dresses. If you like any of this, make sure you check the description box, and I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.